One of the reasons I invest in covered calls is almost my completely exclusive strategy is because it doesn't take hours and hours of research to figure out what stock to buy. So we have four cornerstones in the cash flow machine, this program that I use to create income from the stock market. It's the right stock in the right market at the right spot on the chart, and then we collect the rent. We squeeze the juice. We collect the time premium. And the most important part to begin is selecting the right stock. Well, once you select the right stock, that work is done, right? You don't have to spend a bunch of hours figuring out what is the right stock to buy. You've got your stock, and now you find out the rest of the cornerstones to use against it, right? So most people spend a lot of their time looking up price to earnings ratios and how they compare to the rest of the market. And is the market going up or down based on those price to earnings ratios? And they look at return on equity, and they look at earnings per share growth, and they look at PEG ratios, debt, and they look at beta, and they look at all kinds of different things. And you don't really need to do that. Like, you can overanalyze things. It's called paralysis by analysis, and we don't want to get into that. We want to research our stock, but we don't want to spend 20 to 30 hours a week trying to figure out all the different stocks we're going to be in because we're supposed to diversify. We want to find a good stock, or maybe two really good quality stocks, and then the research is kind of done, and you just follow it. And that's really the key to beginning the process of making income using the cash flow machine.
Hi, Mark Yagi here, wealth architect and author of this book on my covered call investing system called the Cash Flow Machine. Listen, what you just saw is just one part of creating reliable income of 2 to 4% a month from the stock market. But if it were that easy, then everyone would do it, right? If you want to learn how I create investment income the right way, then you need to learn and have a system with rules and what-if strategies so that you can learn what I do when the market goes against me, what I do when the stock goes against me, how to adjust my trade so that it's always in a winning position, how much to risk, how to build a multi-million-dollar portfolio that creates income of $10,000, $20,000, or $30,000 a month in semi-passive income. And best of all, the whole cash flow machine system takes less than an hour a week to implement. Just go to cashflowmachine.io to learn more, or click this link for more videos, masterclasses, and free resources. See you there.